extremely worried. The reason is that what we hoped was a political settlement would take place. The political settlement is looking difficult right now. And it's looking difficult right now because the Taliban are refusing, and we tried. I tried to persuade the Taliban. This is months back, 3 or 4 months back. The Taliban senior leadership came here and we tried to persuade them to come to some sort of a political settlement. The only thing that would stop Afghanistan from descending into anarchy is a political settlement. But unfortunately, the Taliban, when they were here, they felt that they refused to talk to Ashraf Ghani. Their condition is that as long as Ashraf Ghani is there, we are not going to talk to the Afghan government. Here I want to say that in 2019, when Pakistan persuaded Taliban to start talking to the Americans, I suggested that there should be before the presidential election, there should be an interim government so that, the elections would be inclusive. But unfortunately, the Afghan government was very critical about this remark about there being an interim setup. And they went ahead with the elections and President Ghani got elected. Now, once President Ghani got elected and the Taliban got excluded, it was always going to be a problem from then onwards because Ashraf Ghani insisted that the Taliban should talk to him. The Taliban did not recognize him. They didn't recognize the elections and they would refuse to talk to him. So that's where the problem started. And that problem still is there.